taken a bamboo. Bamboo is alien plant for everybody.
No, instead of going and dying in the Kumbh Mela, they should tell that they should put this all over the country. This is better than Kumbh Mela. पूरा देश में कुंभ हो जाएगा, पानी हो जाएगा और पानी हो जाएगा. What is?
Sir, so much more water is happening. Every data I can give you, sir. All these I've studied, applied, and we can also dig a hole, put a hole in the bamboo root system. Check the water table, how much is coming, holding it is. All these available.
No,
but
I'm just saying that 430 milliliters is 43 centimeters.
yes, sir.
43 centimeters is 2 feet.
Yeah.
1.5 feet.
1.5 feet. No, in that it is 17 lakh. So if it is 7 meters, it is rising. 7 meters per acre, it
Water, amount of water.
Correct.
What is holding only? What correct?
100 lakh
Held is so much,
liters.
sir. Increase is so much. And all these rainwater would have gone to the nearest lake. There it is getting sucked and it's going down. The soil should
Or
be
it
porous.
also it goes.
Evaporates. Evaporates.
No, Raichur, Anantapur, just.
It goes up. It goes. But then if you can conserve the water like this, it is the water table is going to increase. Now, I was doing a lot of work in water table alone. So at Maldives, the entire island. It was small island. The
Correct.
country is small,
Several.
1 kilometer island.
Correct.
1.5 kilometer island. I've been to 2-3 times and they are planting my bamboo to become a carbon neutral island.
Serious?
Yeah. It's going on for last 4 years.
Wow.
India is sleeping, sir. A small country with 3 or 4 lakh people.
Correct.
They are conscious. We are not. Anyhow. And they get water in the rainy season. They have enough water.
Yeah.
When the rain goes away, off season,
There's no water.
sea water only there. You have to purify the water.
Correct.
Now, I told them to put the bamboo, 10 plants, 15 plant bamboo, make a well in the center. And because the soil, it's only around 2 meter sand, so not soil, it's sand.
Sand. Yeah.
It's only sand because
Sand.
the entire island is sitting on coral.
Correct.
Now, whatever rain comes, it's held by the root system, and they keep on charging the well, clean, good, purified water. When the water passes through a root, the bamboo has got a habit of, it's a good scavenger crop. It's able to remove all the heavy metals. I told you, you're in Bangalore, sir. I went and met the Chief Minister 10-12 years back. Met your IAS officers, everybody together, made a meeting. Forest Minister come down here itself. With like you, he was here and he brought 530 farmers to show me. Nothing happened. What I told them is simple. You have, at that time, sir, 720 million liter of sewage water getting discharged out of Bangalore. It's going out of 13 treatment center, not treating it, it's going back to the river, either this way to Tamil Nadu, that way to Kaveri, and finally going to the sea. I said, can we grow green belt? In the green belt, we have a green belt of 40, I think 1 lakh acre they have, green belt, master plan. Let's plant 40,000 bamboo plant. It will absorb all these 720 million liter every day. Your city will become zero discharge of sewage water. You don't need to apply fertilizer bamboo. The bamboo knows how to take that. It will remove all the heavy metals.
Sewage is a fertilizer for it.
Yeah.
Exactly, sir.
Correct.
Fertilizer come, they also got all the chromium, heavy metal,
Lead.
all the lead, everything
Arsenic.
going, sir, arsenic.
Yeah, arsenic.
All that the bamboo, knowingly, unknowingly, it's evolved for some reason, they are absorbing that. Absorbing to the soil, it is put into the plant, it's not getting contaminating your groundwater or the river. I said, it's a biofilter. The
It's a natural
CM agreed at that time. But then he said, talk to my people, and then Chief Secretary, he said, wow. When I shown the bamboo, he said immediately, oh, is this a Bheema Bamboo? I said, I was astonished. When person like him is telling that this is a Bheema Bamboo without even me telling the name, super, he is well informed.
The name you have given.
My name, sir.
Yes,
Given by
yes,
me,
yes.
sir.
Bheema means.
Yes, sir. Same,
Okay.
sir. Can you show the Bheema to normal bamboo to Bheema Bamboo? Then you know the difference, sir. Bamboo normally very light. Yeah.
Oh.
Just lift it, sir. One hand. Only one hand. Yeah. Normal bamboo, sir.
Oh.
Just lift, all of you lift and see the difference. This is a bamboo. That's how the bamboos there grow in the country everywhere. Yeah. Just lift it and see, sir.
We can lift.
Yeah, lift. Without any doubt, you can lift. So, can you give the Bheema Bamboo now? So record this, sir. You record this. So there,
Yeah.
not me, the person who's going to lift it down.
Okay.
Yeah, sir is going
Oh,
to
that's heavy. Shorter and heavier.
Yeah. Sir, you lift it, sir. Shastri, sir. Let's see. Shastri, record it, sir.
The left hand I can't. Just
Oh, heavy, yeah? But how old is it in terms of age?
2 years. From a plant is 5 years. The bamboo age is only 2 years.
So it is not a hollow.
Oh,
Seriously?
sir, so this is what we try to find out in the nature. It's nature's gift. I've not done anything.
So it is not hollow bamboo.
It's not hollow. Not hollow. Density is more. It's high dense, not hollow. Now,
But it will absorb water.
yeah, sir, anything I told you, 6 grams, it can make 1 liter into 6 grams, sir. Now, that 6 gram needs 2000 millimeter
So
water.
this Bheema bamboo, you have
Ah, you
developed
see
it
the
through
insect.
your
See the
technology, or it is existing in
It was
nature?
existing, sir.
Huh?
It was existing in nature.
These Bheema
I
bamboos,
identified them. Like
It's normal,
Einstein
right?
was not developed by anybody.
This Bheema.
Einstein
Right answer.
was one of the person we got. Came on the nature. We lost him.
Who? Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein.
No, we didn't lose him. I think he's a great man. So whatever, he has done something.
Correct, sir. His brain, his knowledge is so different.
Yeah.
And that was not available to all of us. Genetically, combination was very different, so he happened to appear in the population and disappeared. Now, this appeared in the population, I picked it up, and now I made it available to
So
everybody.
you are making Einstein available to everybody.
You being a professor, I'm not Albert Einstein. Otherwise, I would have told something else to the others. Something rare, sir. Nature gives out this combination, whether human being, plant, coconut tree, banana, everywhere it comes. People have got technology to graft it. Mango, when you get one Malbova, then we graft it, then we are able to get the same plant in a number of times. Bamboo cannot be grafted. Coconut cannot be grafted.
Tissue culture.
Yeah.
Yeah, cannot be grafted.
Coconut cannot be grafted. There are many plants cannot be grafted. So those plants we can use another simple technology called vegetative propagation. One tissue become millions of same type of plant. You don't genetically modify it. So that kind of a plant which is
This
developed.
is not Bheema.
No, this is not Bheema. This is another bamboo.
My God, this is a
Huge.
giganteous.
Giganteous bamboo.
Where is
But
it?
it's a hollow, sir. It is a hollow.
Also from India? India.
Yeah. India, this is from Kerala, sir.
Kerala.
So this can be used for housing also?
Very well.
Yeah.
Construction, housing, construction. You can put a cement inside, it become a pillar.
Pillar. Pillar.
Put cement inside?
Yes.
Cement in the rod, it
You-
becomes
you
very
understand?
strong.
Yes. I
Now
would like to
technology
use
has come. Now technology has come. This is now column means what we do is we put a steel, put a concrete, and we can reinforce concrete. Now it changed. Cement, no steel, bamboo inside. It's stronger than steel.
Stronger than steel.
10 times cheaper than steel.
Cheap.
Zero carbon footprint.
We should start a company because this is a no-brainer. Everybody can use this. Is it available in sufficient quantities?
Not sufficient.
That
You
is.
have to grow it.
You have to grow. You have to grow. It's available everywhere, but then it needs a very ideal climatic condition. It will come in Western Ghats.
Lots of water, tropical.
Yeah, very tropical, calm, more of the nice, cool climatic condition.
Cool.
It's a Burma bamboo. It came from Burma, Myanmar. So Myanmar climatic condition wherever repeats in the northeast or in Kerala, especially Wayanad, and then that North Karnataka, Kerala, completely it is available. And when we grow in India, we are growing in Hosur also. We are trying to grow, but it's only smaller size, not this size. Now we have found out in China there is another bamboo which is this is only 12 inches, that is 15 inches. Anyhow, coming to the bamboo, our bamboo now.
Sodic bamboo.
Sodigma. Now all this knowledge we put together to make a bamboo into a cultivable crop. Conventional yield is only 1 ton per acre, which through the technology of propagation, cloning and precision farming, it has become 40 ton per
Tons.
acre.
40 times.
Actual potential of the bamboo is 100 times.
100 times. 100 tons per acre. My God.
But what is the investment? See,
It's return on investment. Yeah, can I ask for a cup of tea or coffee?
Of course.
Yes. Wonderful.